Do you feel like your business is failing? Do you sometimes feel like you don't know what to do next? Does it feel like you're spinning your wheels or you're doing everything, but yet nothing is coming together? I used to feel like that. I had that problem. And I found that when I was feeling like that, I just started doing anything to make something happen. When I was up one morning just praying and working on my business, for those of you who don't know, my day normally starts around 2 a.m. And so I'm working and I'm writing, and the Lord revealed to me that there were four components of a business. And that's something that I didn't understand. I have done, festivals, I've done conferences, seminars, workshops, all of that, and had to really come to understand that no matter what you do, no matter what business that you're in, there are four components that you should be focusing on. The first one is what I call ministry. What do I mean by ministry? What are you called to do and who are you called to serve? This gets into your client avatar. Everybody's not going to like you. Everybody's not going to want to use your service. Everybody's not going to want your product. But there is someone out there who does want it, who needs it. They're looking for you, but they just don't know that you're the person that they're looking for. So when you get clear on your customer profile, sometimes you'll hear people call it customer avatar or CP. When you get clear on who this is that you are trying to serve, that is your ministry. Those are the people that you are there for. Those are the people that you're trying to reach. So the first component, as I said, is ministry. Who are you trying to reach? Who are these people? And and how are you called to serve them? So that's the first one. The second one is management. How are you going to run this business or this company? Some people, some time ago they were mainly cash. Now we have uh the internet where you can pay online. So it's evolving, it's changing. How are you going to manage this company? What software do you need? Is there particular software? Are there particular programs that you are going to need to be able to run your business and to manage it effectively? What type of payments or what payment processing system are you going to use? Are you a PayPal person? Are you a Stripe person? What How are you going to manage what is coming in as far as finances are concerned? What are your standard operating procedures? How does your business run? How does it flow? What do you need to have in place so that if something does happen and you're not able to be there that day, will it still flow systematically? Can somebody just jump in and take over for you? This is management. So you have your ministry, what you're called to do, management, how you're going to run it. The next one is marketing. How are you going to reach people? How are you going to communicate your business, your new unique product, your unique service to people out there in the world? How are they going to be able to find you? Because see, if they're not able to find you, there's going to be a lot of cold calling. There's going to be a lot of postcard mailing, letter mailing, all of that so that they can see you. So what is your plan? What are your steps when it comes to marketing? How are you going to let people know that you're out there? And that's the third one, marketing. The fourth one is money. Everybody's favorite. How are you going to make money? What is your business model, your revenue model that is going to bring in income into your business? Now, I love to travel, and I've never been shy about telling people that I love to travel. I've been traveling for what, 34, 35 years, been cruising, love it. It's fantastic. That revenue model works for me. What works for you? What model is going to bring you the income? So, is it straight coaching? Are you offering a product? Do you have software? Is it an agency? Are you doing an agency model? What type of revenue model are you using to get that money into your business? You can have more than one revenue model, but if you're new, it can be difficult trying to work all of those models. So you have to find the one that's going to work for you that is going to bring in the income. As I stated, I love cruising, I love retreats. And one of the reasons why I really try to share about the retreat model is because it's simple. That's the first thing. It is fairly simple to put together. The next thing is you're using other people's money. When you are putting this event together, they are paying you usually in advance so that you can put the event together. And the final thing that I like about it is that you make more. Usually people like something different. They like to be involved in something different. And if you can marry what you do with a retreat business model, it's usually more lucrative. So, when it comes to the four components that you should be working on or you should be looking at, they are your ministry or what you're called to do, management, how you are going to run this, marketing, how you're going to get the information out, and money, what your revenue model is going to look like so that you'll be successful. So, I thank you so much for being part of this today. Look, I would love you to go to mindyourbusiness.net slash revenue dash from dash retreats and get on the list so that when I host the next revenue from retreat business model webinar, you can be part of it. So I am so grateful for you today. God bless you. God keep you is my prayer.